Yeah, that's it.
Right, yeah. Up.
That's fine. Right then.
Remember to give her some up, because she won't like it very much.
Yeah. Did you want some foliage?
Completely bent. I need to really give it some. How not to fly a plane, eh? This plane's been causing me so much flaming trouble. It's really screwed, I think.
So, do your checks.
There's no parts I can use.
We can salvage it, we can fix it. There's only a few minor discrepancies. We'll have a look at that later.
B40 Warhawk, not a wise choice.
Yeah, well we know that now, don't we?
It's caused me nothing but problems since the moment I bought it.
Here we have proof Anthony's Warhawk does actually fly. And flies well.
Bit underpowered.
Maybe a bit underpowered, but that doesn't actually matter, it's flying. It's flying lovely. Ain't it, mate? How does that feel now that,
Fucking gorgeous now.
compared to this morning when he thought it was a write-off?
It's so much better.
It's silly.
It's just unbelievable. It's like a totally different plane.
See, I told him it would work. Beautiful. There you go, mate.